Hello everyone, I've just arrived in Norway and my winter camping adventure starts today. Today I'm heading into the snowy mountains of Norway for hiking and winter camping. Join me on this adventure.
Now I'm heading to my car to start the journey towards the mountains.
Driving through these beautiful snowy roads in Norway is just breathtaking. It's amazing to see Norway's winter landscape while on the move.
We've reached the base of the mountains. Time to unload the gear and get ready for the hike. Let's get all the gear ready so we can start our winter adventure safely. All set for the hike. Let's explore these beautiful snowy mountains. The hike begins. Climbing through the snowy trails is both challenging and breathtaking. The mountains are stunning, but the climb requires focus and energy.
Climbing higher, the view gets even more spectacular.
Almost at the top. The effort is worth the breathtaking scenery.
Looking down from above, Norway's winter landscape is simply breathtaking. From up here, the vastness of Norway's mountains is truly impressive.
After the hike, it's time to find a perfect spot to set up my camp. This spot looks perfect. Flat, safe, and sheltered from the wind. Setting up this large inflatable tent is easy and fast. Soon, I'll have a cozy shelter in the snow. Now that the tent is up, it's time to get the inside ready for a comfortable night. Spreading the bed and arranging essentials makes the tent cozy and ready for the night. Everything is set up perfectly. Time to relax and enjoy the snowy view from the comfort of the tent. Starting the day with a warm breakfast inside the cozy tent is the best way to enjoy this snowy morning. Cooking inside the tent keeps me warm while enjoying the fresh snowy view. Breakfast is ready. Everything looks perfect and inviting inside the tent. Enjoying a warm meal in the heart of Norway's snowy mountains is truly an amazing experience. It's time to gather some wood from the frozen forest to prepare lunch later. Carefully choosing dry logs and branches ensures a strong and warm fire for cooking. Time to cut some firewood into manageable pieces for cooking. Bundling the wood makes it easy to carry back to the campsite. Carrying the wood back carefully ensures a warm cooking session ahead. Back at the camp, now it's time to prepare the fire for cooking. The wood is ready. Soon I'll have a warm fire for cooking and staying cozy. First, I need to clear a safe spot to start the fire. Arranging the wood carefully ensures a strong and lasting fire. The fire is going. Perfect for cooking lunch and staying warm in this snowy weather. Time to prepare some fresh chicken for lunch. Marinating the chicken ensures it will be flavorful and juicy when cooked. The chicken is marinated and ready. Soon, it will be cooked over the warm campfire. First, add some oil to the pan to get it ready for frying.
Add each chicken piece carefully into the hot pan. Frying the chicken evenly ensures a perfect golden crust. Making sure each piece is perfectly cooked before plating. Carefully remove each piece from the pan. Place each piece carefully on the plate for serving. All done. Delicious fried chicken, ready to enjoy in the snowy mountains. Time to enjoy this delicious fried chicken in the heart of Norway's snowy mountains. After a hearty lunch, it's time to rest and relax inside the cozy tent. Sitting inside the tent, enjoying the peaceful, snowy view outside is truly refreshing. Time to lie down and recharge for more adventure ahead. As the sun sets, it's time for a refreshing evening walk in the snowy mountains. All set. Let's enjoy the serenity of the mountains this evening. Exploring these beautiful snowy trails, you can really feel the peacefulness of Norway. Crossing frozen rivers requires caution, but the view is spectacular.
The snowy forest is magical. Every step is an adventure.
From here you can see the vast Norwegian mountains stretching as far as the eye can see. Walking along a frozen lake is mesmerizing. The reflections of the peaks are stunning. The open snowfields make you feel tiny in this magnificent landscape. Ending the day with this breathtaking sunset reminds me why Norway's winter landscapes are so special. After a peaceful evening walk, I'm back at the camp as night falls over the mountains.
The night is calm and peaceful here in the Norwegian mountains. Enjoying a warm dinner inside the tent feels incredibly peaceful after a long winter day. Ending the day with a hot cup of coffee in this quiet, snowy night is the perfect feeling. Good morning from Norway. A fresh winter day begins in the mountains. Nothing feels better than breathing fresh mountain air in the early morning.
Waking up in the heart of Norway's winter wilderness is truly unforgettable.
It's time to pack up and say goodbye to this beautiful winter campsite.
The journey back takes me through Norway's stunning winter roads.
Every journey ends, but the memories stay forever.
Thank you for watching this Norway winter adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next journey.